Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all loaded up, ready to go. Thailand today. We should be there in an hour or two. I'm going to have some breakfast just down the road here, and then we will be on the road. I'm excited, guys. Thailand. India, you had to wait till 9 o'clock to be able to get something to eat. Nobody started early in the morning, but it's 7:30. I'm filled up with breakfast, ready for Thailand. Yoo-hoo! Thailand. I met him at the service station like half an hour ago, and I stopped. I was talking to Janet on the phone. We pulled over to make sure I was alright. That's good of it. They have these little tracks to avoid the toll. It's legal. Your bikes don't have to pay. Well, it's a bit overcast and cool today, but it's a beautiful day for riding. Not hot, not too blinding from the sun. Really enjoying today, even though it's highway, just highway. Well, lucky I saw this place. It's this is a little insurance shop on the side of the road. You need third-party insurance to get into Thailand. I kind of knew that, but I'd forgotten. But yeah, here it's costing me maybe $20. They tried selling me one for $100, but when I said no, I'll just go with nothing, they said, oh, this is all you need. So at least other people are covered if I hurt someone. Right. I got my insurance, third-party insurance for Thailand. 2 months. I'm only going to be there a week or two, but 2 months. And I also got my SIM card, which they guarantee me will work. And this is a professional place. It's not like there's some stall on the side of the road. So yes, I've changed my SIM card over straight away. Unlimited data for a month. Immigration here.
Yes.
Guys, what a place for a major breakdown. Can't believe it. It's Malaysia there, Thailand there, and I'm broken down with no electrics right in the middle. I don't know what's going on. I've pulled all the fuses are alright, all the battery connections are alright. I've got no idea. Fuck, I'm just going to have to push her up the hill into Thailand, I guess, and find a mechanic. Oh guys, these people are organising for me to get a ute. What a place to break down. And I didn't even really need to stop here. I only stopped to ask where was customs. I should have just kept going, but that's life. Should have, would have, could have. But yeah, these guys are organising a ute for me, get me into Thailand to a workshop, and hopefully it's nothing super major. Hopefully it's just something little. But look what I noticed when I was looking around. My brand new indicator broken already. So Libby's stuck here in the car park of customs. Customs won't accept my carnet, so I can't even get into Thailand. I'm going to have to turn around and go back into Malaysia. But for now, they've at least rung a mechanic for me, so hopefully it's an easy fix. I'll just have to go back to Malaysia. Nobody told me I couldn't get into Thailand. This has happened to me a couple of times. Well, I don't do any research and it bites me in the ass. Well, it's 2 days later. Been a stressful couple of days. What a place for Libby to die in no man's land. Oh guys, and I've been talking to quite a few people that know KLRs, and it's probably something very, very basic but fiddly to fix, but because I really thought it was something catastrophic. I was just going to leave it in no man's land. I was going to take the number plates off of the spotlights, walk away, but Yeah, so today's job is to try and get her. There's a couple of things I can check today. Cross your fingers for me, guys, that I can get some power. I'm just about to go there now, but 7-Elevens in Thailand are pretty famous. And apart from cheap beer, the other thing they're famous for is these cheese toasties. So let's try a 7-Eleven cheese toastie. Well, of all the YouTubers I've seen rave about these, I was expecting something a lot better. It's not bad, but I guess when you're first travelling overseas, it's really hard to get used to the food. So for people on their first trips, I can imagine these are very popular. My first real overseas trip was to Lima in Peru many years ago, 20 years ago probably. And I just used to go to a pizza shop and point at a picture on the wall of what I wanted. It took me a few days before I was experimenting with local food. Guys, I've been here maybe an hour. I've tried all the little things the guys in the Facebook page suggested, and like mechanic shops that were talking to me, so not just randoms. I tried everything, nothing worked. And in a little bit of, not anger, but frustration, I just tapped this, bang, bang. And, oh no, oh crap. We had power. Hang on. And there we have power again. So at least I'll be able to ride across the road, across the border, see a mechanic in Malaysia. Yep, power. I've never seen anything so beautiful in my life, guys. Yeah, there's something loose in here. Guys, if you remember a couple of videos ago, I bought some new sunglasses in Georgetown because I'd lost my other ones. Well, 15 ringgit, so $5. They lasted about 3 days before they fell apart. So now I'm on the hunt for some new glasses, and also I want to try and find a bit of emery cloth, a fine sandpaper to I'm going to go and clean up that battery terminal, so hopefully that'll be the trick. I won't have to see a mechanic at all. But we'll see. I'm a bit sore, guys. I thought I was having a heart attack, but I think I might have just pulled a muscle pushing the bike up the hill because it's been sore all day. No, nothing in my hands or anything on my, just a bit of pain on the side of my chest. But guys, I'm going to try and hear, sunglass shop. So I came here to see if they had any emery cloth, and it's a sunglass shop as well. So, well, these are about $10. Better than the other ones. I couldn't really see Google Maps with the other ones, but I checked this one, they work all right. So now I just need some emery cloth, sandpaper. Oh guys, I just noticed this Thai sort of satay, so I'm going to try a bit of that. And I didn't think I was hungry until I saw this, and I figured finding sandpaper or even being able to translate that to people with not very good English was too hard. So I just got a nail file. That should do the job. And I just got the fixer of all things, super glue, and I'll go and fix that the indicator. Yeah, I've got to be more careful when I put the saddlebags on the bike. Obviously that's what's killing it. I thought it was carrying those tyres because the tyres would hang down, but this time it was definitely the saddlebags. Oh, and it's raining every afternoon, but not badly. Oh, that's nice, guys. Africa Twin, very nice. Well, this super glue's taken longer to dry than I'm used to. I've been here maybe 10 minutes holding this thing.
He's a winner.
I've got Netflix on here though, so I'm alright. It's better than having a bike that doesn't run, guys. What a relief, really. I'm not sure if the GoPro will pick it up, guys, but there's a really big fog this morning. It's 6:30 in the morning. I'm really hungry, and I was wondering, oh, will I be able to get any food? But I forget we're not in India anymore. It could be lunchtime. The world's moving, and I was a little bit worried what time the border will be open, but all these trucks are going through, so I'll be able to get a nice early start. But I'm only doing about 2 hours today. Oh guys, you might think I'm a bit bubbly this morning after the last couple of days, but I actually slept last night. I had maybe 5 or 6 hours sleep in those 2 nights, all up. I mean, first night I was so stressed that Libby was actually dead, and the second night I was thinking of all the stuff I had to do to try and get her fixed. So last night I slept like a log. But anyway, guys, I'm going to get some breakfast. Oh, what's here? I was going to just get a toasted sandwich. What are they eating here? I might get 2 toasted sandwiches and some pork and rice. Oh guys, this pork, sticky rice and fried onions. One of the most amazing things I've ever tasted in my life. My whole mouth's full of flavour. It's unbelievable. Oh well guys, a little bit of stress this morning, but nothing major. That nail file I bought yesterday, I had to undo this and file everything, because every time I tried to start it, it just lost power again. But that little bit of a sanding of the terminal, all the connections, everything worked. Now we're running. Seems like we've lost this again, but it was raining last night, and the dash doesn't like to be wet, obviously. So anyway, guys, I've got to pack up the bike for the second time this morning and go to Malaysia and load it again, running. What a relief, guys. Anyway, I've got plenty of footage to make a video of my Thailand debacle. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.